share some of mine with you.
Yummy, yummy,
Ooh,
in my tummy. Yummy, yummy,
all of my favorite food.
yummy, yummy, in my tummy. Yummy, yummy.
Well, I like noodles in a bowl. Chicken nuggets make me lose control, 'cause they taste so good. Yeah! Tell me all about your favorite foods.
Mine is pizza.
And I like hamburgers too. I'll eat ice cream cake till my tummy aches.
Rainbow chip icing. FSU. Can I take over? Thought we were doing fondant. No, you don't. Yes, you do. What the hell are you saying? Fucking stupid. That's why I took over your fucking cake. What I like about cheese is that you can put it on veggies and it tastes so good. You have me Am I cutting the sound out in this one? No? Well, now I am, since I just said that. What am I doing anyway? I'm screwed. I just want to eat this up. Don't you? You just told me 20 times. Like the cooked parts, I don't know. I'm really not. You seriously are. No, you actually are the annoying one today. Really? Because you told me 20 times I don't want anything for breakfast. I didn't. I'm making a bagel. Yeah, I did. Guess what? I don't want it. Give me a nice spot. I did not once say give me a nice spot. I want ice cream. I did. I want ice cream. Give me pizza. And Kelsey, I would say give me, okay? That's the difference between us. Okay, but you still did all that shit. Did not. You're the one who's getting mad at me because I don't want to eat freaking yogurt. Because you're supposed to eat breakfast. I was trying to decide what I freaking wanted, and you're like, you said I don't want to. So I didn't, because you were questioning me too much. Well, you suck. Well, so do you. Bye. I swear, I really am not that. We need each other. Obviously. The reason why we're still friends is because you have to watch the batch. This is really hard to ice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm having a little bit of difficulty. It kind of looks like shit. Yeah, a little bit. It's not the best kind of cake. Ew, Kelsey! What? You just freaking farted. No, I didn't. Good try. I heard it. Don't get all embarrassed now. I'm not, because I'm pretty sure I didn't. I heard it, guys. Guys, everyone Kelsey farted. It's very meaning on the sound. No, we're not. My face is like... We're not. No, because this is really funny because we freaking just yelled at each other. We're not in a fight, so we're leaving it on. Kelsey, this looks terrible. I am aware of that, so do you, but that's okay. Who told you that? Mama. Your mama's not here. No. What I like. I don't care what you like about cheese. And it tastes so good. What? This literally looks disgusting. I don't know why we didn't just put fondant on. Like, I don't understand why it's put icing on first. To keep the fondant on. I've never heard of that in my entire life of living on the cake world. You don't live in the cake world, first of all. First of all, I do. So that wouldn't even make sense. Kind of does. So that's the difference. There is no difference because nothing happened. Oh my god, I have something in my eye. It's a tear because you're being so mean to me. I am crying about it. Oh my god, you're so freaking annoying. There, like you didn't get any of this shit. I'm freaking working on it, Kels. Like honestly, just go on with it. Oh my god, I can't even take this anymore. I really can't do this. You suck. Okay, it's great. Wanna know who I hate? Can you not? I just got it. I got it. I'm pretty sure I got it. Do you wanna know who I hate, Kels? Chris Colucci. And he's gonna see this video. Good, I hate him. He's a nice man. He's a meanie, Bobini. He's a nice meanie. Meanie Hut Jr. for Chris Colucci. Right? Right, Chris? He might not even see this because he has work. You know what? We'll make sure he sees it. Well, okay. Okay. Alright, I think it's pretty good right now. That's how you frost a cake, everyone.
I'll roll up, shorty, I'll roll up, I'll roll up, I'll roll up.
These are the decorations we're using on our cake. Woo! Patty, give me. Let me just take it apart here. Like they can't break them. I know. We'll make sure they don't break. Should I put this like? Here, I'll make it like once and up, you know. Like here.
Sweating.
Are you ready to say goodbye?
Yes, I am.
Good. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I say so long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. It's been great to play and sing together.
In the box.
And now it's time to say goodbye. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Goodbye for now, until we